Welcome to our tutorial on using the Grain Bank feature. This powerful tool helps custom feeders track their customers' feed usage and bill only for the cost of managing the feeding. Today, we'll cover how to enter an owner's feeding inventory, set your Grain Bank fees, review billing for your customers, generate and analyze reports. Let's get started. First, let's enter the owner's feeding inventory. Go to the Supplies section in your app. Click on the pencil icon next to the stock value. When the menu opens, select Grain Bank to view the current inventory. Enter the incoming stock value and select the owner. You can also enter the invoice number if needed. If you haven't created the owner yet, go to the Administration tab and add a new owner. Next, we'll set your Grain Bank fees. Go to the Settings section and click on the Change button under Lot Fees. Enter your Grain Bank fees in dollars per bushel. Now, let's look at how to bill your customers. Go to Cattle Management and select Billing. Choose a billing period and whether you want to bill per lot or per owner. Click Get Data to generate the bill. At the bottom of the bill, you'll see the amount of feed owned by your customer subtracted from the total. The system will never subtract more than the amount fed. The price is calculated based on the daily price for each drop. You'll also see a line item for the Grain Bank fee under Grain Bank Discounts. You can modify the price, volume, or Grain Bank fee from this section before sending the bill. Finally, let's track inventory and generate reports. Go to the Reports section. Use the app to filter and order the information as needed. You can also download the report to a CSV file for further analysis. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.